start with period number 6, which is the vocabulary review, a very easy period and a quick one as well. See here, we are going to write some geographical words which you have already taken in your geography class. Then we have here a pair of opposites and fill in the blanks. That's it. See, I told you, it's a very easy and quick period. When you look at this question, work with geography words, do the tasks. Now, these are few words. If you look at them, they are jumbled. First of all, look at them quite carefully and write them correctly. What is this? I can see it's a sea. This one, farmland. This one, geography starts with the B, L, V, M, D. I'm helping you. With R, here it starts with W, here C, and here W. So these are jumbled words. You have to write them carefully and correctly. Yes, sea, farmland, beach. You can just strike through them and write them next to it. Number 2, I told you it starts with L, lake, valley, mountain. 3, desert, river, waterfall. Then we have the last 2, cave and woods. After writing them correctly, now we will get back to the question. Listen and draw the route on the map. Find the geography words, label the map with them. So we will listen to the text and we will label these places, geographical places, which you already took them here. Yes. So listen to it carefully and use these words down here. Even if you do not listen, you can easily write the answers.
Looking for the treasure of Captain Wild, a huge box full of coins and jewelry from 300 years ago. With the captain's map, we flew north over the land, but close to the Pacific Ocean to the west. Below us was an empty desert that was covered with stones. To our east was a long wall of high, snowy mountains. At last, we saw the river that our map showed. We landed on the beach beside the sea, and we jumped down from our small plane onto the sand. Our treasure hunt began right there. We followed the river away from the sea, and the land rose on each side of the river until we were in a deep valley. Then we climbed up past a dramatic waterfall to an area of farmland near a beautiful blue lake. We stopped and rested there, and then we started climbing through the woods on the side of the mountains. We followed a small river that ran down through the woods towards the lake. Then finally we came to a small cave. It was the cave on the map. We went in, and at the back of the cave we could just see the top of a huge box. We carefully opened it, and there it was, the treasure of Captain Wild.
Desert, waterfall, farmland, cave, mountains, river, woods, lake, valley, and then beach. So We are done with activity number 1. Now let's get to activity number 2, which is very easy. First, you can just match the pair of opposite. Sister. What is the opposite of sister? Brother. Into, out of. First, best. Question, answer. Along, across, to the left, to the right. Now pause the video here and fill in the blanks. Then check with me. I understand the question that you are asking, but I don't know the answer to do it. We tested 18 cars and the highlight was the best for safety, but it was the worst in another important way. It was the least comfortable. This is a photo of my dash and she is brother or sister? Sister. She is a year older than me, and this is a photo of my younger brother. He is the youngest. I have just seen your mom. She came out of the bank and went straight into the supermarket. I expect she is shopping in there now. To get to the shoe shop, you need to go across this road, turn left, and then take the first right. Go along that road for 200 meters and you will see it. We looked out of our little plane while we were flying north. To the left, the sun was going down over the sea. To the right, the land was already getting dark. Now what is your homework? Just solve question number 1 and 2 on the book and no homework in the notebook. Stay safe, stay healthy, and good luck.